Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the dollar yen, I mean, this right here does look to me like the end of a pullback. And if that is the end of a pullback, then it is probably more likely that this will just keep on going down and it will make new lows on this time frame. But I have this ABC here because it does look like impulsive up that could lead to corrective down and it could lead to impulsive up again before it actually does continue the downtrend. So let's keep both options in mind. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. Because if this does end up being like an ABC, then it would have to turn out like the 78%, probably maximum, give us some sort of a break of structure to the upside. If we see some sort of a break of structure to the upside, then that probably is telling us it's a wave B, and that it's probably going to go all the way back up for wave C. If it just makes a normal little bounce here, which it's probably going to bounce no matter what because the 78% is a big area of support and doesn't break structure and just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then I would be doing nothing but continuing to look for sorts, hold on to sorts, and look for more sorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.